We cannot guarantee you a long life, but what we can possibly give you are 90 decisive minutes of safety at the right moment in time. You're probably asking yourself, who is claiming this? We at Dupertal have been constructing and building safety cabinets for already 40 years. We manufacture Type 90 safety cabinets, built and certified in accordance with the European standard DIN EN 14470 Part 1. This model here, for example, was chosen at random directly from our production department and was subjected to a fire endurance test. To create a particularly realistic scenario, the cabinet's fire resistance was proven in a 90-minute test in a specially created fire container, in which the firefighters are usually trained for an emergency. Within a very short period of time, extremely high temperatures of up to 900 degrees Celsius can be achieved here using fire accelerants. See for yourself what a Dupertal safety cabinet can do for you in case of a fire, because in an emergency, every minute counts. Normally, a fire alarm is triggered as soon as a fire breaks out and all persons leave the building. At the same time, the thermocouple of the safety cabinet activates the closing of the doors. Personnel will be out of the danger area within an average of about 5 to 10 minutes. It will take another couple of minutes until the fire brigade reaches the source of the fire. This is valuable time during which double-panel safety cabinets made of sheet steel will lose their protective function completely, leaving the stored flammable substances unprotected from the fire. This means that the firefighters are exposed to a much greater risk while trying to extinguish the fire. The risk of property damage also increases. From this point in time, the Type 90 safety cabinets from Dupertal will withstand the fire for at least another 80 minutes. That's 90 minutes in total, the equivalent length of a football match. It was therefore necessary to keep feeding the fire for this report, and this proved to be a real challenge for the firefighters. These experts, equipped with respirators and special protective clothing, had to enter the fire container a total of 3 times to maintain the temperature of about 900 degrees Celsius. During this time, the Dupertal safety cabinet keeps on working for your safety. The ventilation flaps close automatically, and all the gaps in the cabinet are filled with a special insulation material of the doors. In this way, the high technical standard of the safety cabinet prevents a small controllable fire turning into a larger one. In Europe, safety cabinets with Type 90 technology have become regarded as state-of-the-art products. They are the perfect solution for active fire protection in the storage of hazardous substances. Active here means, in case of a fire, the flammable liquids are separated from the fire and are therefore securely stored. The risk of fire is reduced because the stored substances do not act as additional fuel for the fire. If the protective function fails, the stored substances act as fire accelerants and become a source of explosions. The more time there is, therefore, for evacuating everyone, and the more time the firefighters have for fighting the fire, the better. Also, as this helps limit general damage. By the way, only trust those safety cabinets which have a valid approval of fire resistance. Usually a GS certificate issued by a recognized inspecting authority such as TÜV Süd. The reason behind this is that without a valid approval of fire resistance issued by a materials testing institute, no manufacturer will receive a GS certificate. Please also make sure that the safety cabinet does not only comply with the standard DIN EN 14470, but also with the quality standard DIN EN 14727 for laboratory furniture. After 90 minutes, the 900 degrees Celsius fire was extinguished and the safety cabinet opened. True to our quality commitment, we were happy to see that the state of the cabinet and its contents impressed even the experts of the fire brigade. Protect your employees, the fire brigade and the rescue units in an emergency for a whole 90 minutes. Safeguard your company through active fire protection with the high-quality safety cabinets from Dupertal.